Hi guys, today I want to show you how I made this oven for a dollhouse kitchen. I hope you enjoy the video. Start by cutting out these two foam board pieces and divide both of them into 3 equal parts. Cut out more foam board according to those measurements and glue the other small pieces on top like this, leaving half a centimeter space on one side and 1 centimeter space on the other. Now seal the edges with clear drying sealant or glue and paint everything black. Apply another layer of clear drying sealant to give the inside of the oven a little bit of shine and cut a small gap into the lower part of the side pieces. This is necessary if you want to be able to open and shut the oven door. To make the oven door, you will need another piece of foam board and remove the middle part. You'll also need a piece of paperboard that is the same height but 1 centimeter wider. Place the foam board in the center and trace a rectangle shape and cut that out. Cut out 2 more pieces of paperboard, paint everything silver, and don't forget the edges. Poke holes into one of the long paperboard strips and place a push pin in each of them. Wrap a piece of baking paper around the paperboard and apply a small amount of hot glue on the spiky part of the push pin. I'm using baking paper because it doesn't stick to the hot glue and I'll be able to remove it later. Now place a small piece of cardstock in the center, let it dry and repeat it 5 times. Make sure to leave a gap underneath the oven door so that you can open and shut it, and use a pin on each side to secure it in place. Paint a piece of paperboard white, let it dry, paint it black and use lids in different sizes to make even circles.